Hello, this is Catherine from Accelerated Reader, reading books for you. Today, I will be reading Rhyme-o-saurus, the Rhyming Dinosaur by Jacqui Shepherd. Before I begin reading, I would like to give a big thanks to the author for sending me this book to read on my channel. In the description below, I've included links where you find and purchase this book. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Rhyme-o-saurus uses words that rhyme all the time. Before Rhyme-o-saurus gets out of bed, he has so many rhymes going through his head. While he gets dressed, he plans his day, deciding which rhymes he should say. Rhyme-o-saurus runs each morning with a big smile on his face. He rhymes while he runs and picks up his pace. Rhyme-o-saurus is quiet in the classroom at Dinosaur School. He does not want to break his teacher's no rhyming rule. Every day, Rhyme-o-saurus has chores to get done, but rhyming helps make his chores much more fun. He rhymes while he helps his mom clean the house, but he has to stop to chase out a mouse. When Rhyme-o-saurus has nothing to do, he teaches his friends a rhyme or two. He can rhyme in his head. He can rhyme out loud. And it always makes him feel very proud. When he rhymes in a crowd, he has no choice. With so many dinos, he must raise his voice. Some of his rhymes are so funny that the others laugh till it hurts their tummy. Encore! Encore! The dinosaurs roar. And Rhyme-o-saurus is always happy to rhyme some more. As long as the sun is still shining, Rhyme-o-saurus will keep rhyming. But when it's time for Rhyme-o-saurus to go to sleep, he closes his eyes without a peep. The end. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In the description below, I've included links where you find and purchase this book. Other books in the Delightful Dino series: Singosaurus, the Singing Dinosaur; Readosaurus, the Reading Dinosaur; the Danceosaurus, the Dancing Dinosaurs; Run-o-saurus, the Running Dinosaur. Thank you again to the author for sending me this book to read on my channel.